Good morning, students. Today's session we are going to learn the new topic is switching techniques from chapter 11. Previously, we have completed this chapter, but this topic is not covered. So, let us learn about switching techniques. These techniques are used for transmitting the data across the network. When you are sending the message from source computer to destination computer, this switching techniques only will help to send the message through the network. There are three type of switching techniques are there: circuit switching, message switching, packet switching. What does mean by circuit switching? It will create the physical connection between the source computer to the destination computer. Then data are transmitted from the source computer to the destination computer. When the computer places a telephone call, the switching equipment within the telephone system seeks out a physical copper path all the way from sender telephone to the receiver. It should not share the circuit by other devices. It shared links that point to point connection. This process is also called end to end connection. The next switching technique is message switching. In this switching techniques, we are going to send the message from source computer to destination computer. The source computer sends the data or the message to the switching office. In between source computer and destination computer, there is one switching office is there. It will receive the message first, then it will find the path to the destination, then it will send the message to the next switching office, then it will find the link, then it will send the message to the destination. So it looks for another switching office, then sends the data to the office. This process is called as store and forward method. Let us see how the message switching will work through the network. Here, the sender node and receiver node. Sender sending the message through the network. The switching office will receive the message. So this data or message stored in a place, this is called as buffer. Buffer means it is a temporary storage area. Here data and message are stored. Then it will find the next path and it will send to the next switching office. Then it will find the destination node, that is what receiver. That is what receiver. So this is the way the message can be sent from source to destination, from sender to receiver. In between, the message can be stored in a place that is called as buffer. It is a temporary storage or area. This process is called as store then forward method. The next process is packet switching. Packet switching means if your message is too large, that means the message can be divided into number of packets. Here host 1 and host 2. We are sending the packet green, blue and red. The packets are sending through different routes, and finally it will reach the destination computer, that is host 2. So sender computer, it is what? Host 1. It sends the packets are traveled to different routes and it will reach the destination host to computer. So this is called as what? Packet switching. Difference between packet switching and message switching. Message switching, there is no limit on block size. But in packet switching, there is a limit on block size. While you are framing the packet, no, that is a limit on the block size. Message switching, packets are stored in a disk. But in the packet switching, messages are stored in a main memory. These are all the difference between message switching and packet switching. The message switching, we are following the store and forward method. Packet switching, the message was storing in the main memory. Let us revise what are the concept of the switching techniques. We have seen the first one is circuit switching, message switching, packet switching. Switching means what? Switching are the terms for transmitting the data across the network. It is used to transmitting the data across the network. There are three types of switching techniques: circuit switching, message switching, packet switching. Circuit switching, it creates the physical connection between the source computer to destination computer. And this is called as end-to-end connection. Message switching, here the message or sends from source computer to destination computer. The third switching is packet switching. That packet switching, the message is divided by number of packets and it sends through the different routes and finally it will reach the destination. Packet switching, there is a limit on block size. In message switching, there is no limit on block size. Thank you, students. We'll see in the next class.